Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're in Roblox and you would prefer it not email you a code every single time you try to log in, you can always disable that feature. Now let's open up the Roblox app here on your iPhone or Android or computer. You can go to roblox.com. Now on here, we're going to tap on More at the very bottom right because we need to get into the settings. So scroll down a bit and you can see here Settings, the gear icon. Let's tap on that. And then you can see the second option is Security. Let's tap on that. Now on here, you'll be able to see a variety of different options for two-step verifications or two-factor authentications. I currently have the email turned on. You might have an authenticator app turned on or anything else, security keys, all that. Now I'm going to turn off this email and it'll say, warning, if you turn it off, you'll be less secure. I'm just going to hit continue. Now it will email me a code to verify this. So let me open up my email here and I'm going to look out for a Roblox email to get that code. So here we go. I can just tap and hold and hit copy. And then I can just paste this in here and hit verify. And just like that, you'll be able to see it is toggled off. So I have no two-step verifications turned on. You can see, of course, at the very bottom is hardware security keys and email, authenticator app, they're all toggled off for right now. Keep in mind, if you do this, then make sure your password is really secure and long, lots of different numbers and letters, so that no one else will be able to guess it. Because ultimately, if they know that password, they'll be able to log directly into your Roblox account. So that's basically how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.